So on the occasions that I do chat, only because it's very noisy where I am, I'm putting on clear lacquer now. I finally got to the end. I just did a piece there. There was lots of sand marks, so I had to go back over that. And then I tried blending here, but that didn't work. So I've got to blend up there. I'm going to point you out in a minute, and if anybody's out there that can tell me why I got spotting, that'd be much appreciated. I don't know if it's two different paints, whatever's on the car now, and then this paint, if it's two different, like, one of them's water maybe, I'm not sure. I've done a piece here, so I've just blended it as far as I can, but there's loads of little spots. So I can't do any more, I'm just giving up. It is what it is. It's a 2011 car, it's never going to look mint. And the fact that I'm spraying over old spray, because this court has been repaired at some point before. So let me show you this piece I'm talking about. So, mind the brolly, it's rather warm out and the paint's baking straight away, so yeah, it's only holding on tape, so it's doing well at the moment. Anyway, see these spots? So I noticed you can't actually see the spots, so I will insert a photo so you can see what I mean. 3 photos, hopefully you can understand. You can see there's some spotting here where I've just gone as far as I can. And it's really annoying, so if anybody knows why it does that, I will know for future. I'm hoping it will blend better once there's some lacquer on it. And then, same down here. God, bear with me. I don't know if you can see that. So again, I've wet sanded round there and scotched the edges. That's it now, it's ready for some primer. I mean, lacquer. That bit's hidden behind the light, so that's it now. The door is done, I've just got to wet sand that once it's properly cured. So I'm hoping that the door looks a bit off as well, but I'm hoping that will blend. So I'm going to do a mist coat. Now I've been shaking this for a long time. And also I clean, as before, I clean the tip on every single pass after finishing. Because you get spit in these cans, even though they're good tips, adjustable tips with a spray pattern that way. Even though I did one a minute ago, I had a spit up here, but thankfully it dried and it was fine. Anyway, let's give this a whirl. Try and block it. Some of the reasons why I don't have sound on is because there's so many cars passing. But I will today.
I've been dreaming of a love. I've been looking up above for someone lately. I've been waiting for someone, been looking at.
Right, I'm going to go and clean the tip and wait for it to dry. So, top coat on. So you've got these spots.
Can really shake me. I want somebody to call my baby. I want somebody next to me. Maybe eventually. I wanna have a late night call from my baby. I want somebody next to me. Maybe then eventually.
I'm masking off, and I'm gonna wet sand these bits, that bit, and the door. Taping off the edges so you don't burn through them. A little bit that needs doing there. I'm going to show you the door in a minute, but I'm not happy with the door. I might end up changing it. Well, we'll see. Anyway, let's mask this off. Right, standing with 1,000 soapy water and sunglasses because it's so bright I can't see the thing. It's just reflecting. That one and that one. Little pad. So that's after polishing. That's not painted, nor is that bit, but I've polished it, wet sanded it to get it to blend, well, match. Take the top layer of lacquer off. Still got these spots. That's the shine. I can't even see down here, it's so bright. Sun's driving me up the wall today.